Our clients choose Kentico E-commerce because it's feature-packed. There's so many features. For example, the product bundles, the discounting, the ability to version control everything right the way through the CMS. The fact that it is fully integrated with the CMS as well is a massive selling point. Our clients just find it so easy to use.
One of the things that I like about Kentico is the actual e-commerce system. So the ability to actually sell products quite simply. So we've had situations where we've got clients who've got thousands of products. The content tree and the way that it works and being able to link each product to its own category and the ability then to now in Kentico 6 to be able to bundle products, that's been fantastic. But ultimately our clients find the interface really simple to use. So the ability to actually see all the orders that you've got, change the status of an order from received to shipped or pending something else. That's given us a real opportunity to sites like Curtis Stone. Curtis Stone, the chef, is a well-known Australian chef who's very large in America, and he's been able to use the website or the Kentico E-commerce component to be able to sell products from 2 different fulfillment locations, so both in Australia and in America through LA, and as a result, and in different currencies. So the site allows it to sell in both US dollars or Australian dollars and ships from different locations. And the results for Curtis has been extraordinary. Sales went through the roof. It was through another agency and another CMS. We converted it to Kentico because we felt that it was going to be better. And it was. Sales went up 100% in 3 months. So I really highly recommend the Kentico e-commerce system. It's excellent.
Kentico's e-commerce module is a very flexible, customizable feature of the software. We really like to use it in our projects because we can really customize it and make it exactly what we need for each project, which is always different. The requirements are always going to be different. Different authorization providers or product options or just even the presentation of the material in the shopping cart itself. Because Kentico is such an extendable and flexible architecture, we're very easily able to modify it to suit the exact needs that we have for each client.
The generic term of CMS or shopping cart, these are terms that have been heavily used throughout the industry, and when you're working with clients who have special needs, they always want customization. So what was neat about the e-commerce site template that we generated for our client was that it was an out-of-the-box solution to start with right away that really answered, I would say, 98% of their requirements, and then the modifications were minimal, and kind of building off that shopping cart to sort of do product bundling really gave us a head start and kind of took us from concept phase and theory through our project with our client all the way to a big kickoff and a quick start.
Yep, while we were developing our site, we heavily used the e-commerce guide as a great tool to quickly set up sites, and it was great because it had tutorials, it had code snippets, and it was very clear and concise.
One of the features in version 6 that from an e-commerce perspective that's important to us is the digital media. The world is moving digital. Digital assets, subscriptions, digital downloads, controlling those downloads was one of the reasons why version 6 of Kentico from an e-commerce perspective is a huge step forward.
Well, we implemented a e-commerce integration for an EPOS system for retailers. So the focus was to provide a seamless solution to their retail and their web sales business. We found that the API facility in Kentico was easy to use and easy to allow us to do this implementation. Additionally, the customer focus inside in terms of user guides and interface we found was very comfortable for our end users.